Hey, welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to use Siri on the Apple Watch Ultra. It is already active. If you don't know how to do that, I'll leave a video up here on the top right. But basically now it's active, so we can go ahead and say, hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, counting down.
Okay, or we can press the digital crown down for a few seconds and it'll do it too. Set alarm for 10 p.m. And then we don't have to say the prompt. You can even use it as Siri, set timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, counting down.
So for that, you can see actually the actual settings are in the menu, General. And in General, we go to the bottom to see Siri. And in Siri, we can have enabled listen to only hey Siri, Siri are off. And then we can have raise to speak, press digital crown, which means you can press it and it will start it, and so on and so forth. And you can change some other settings. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.